my wonderful husband got me a gift for my 38th birthday, and I'm so excited about it. And I haven't unboxed it yet because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. It's right in here, and I am just so thrilled about it because I know exactly what it is, because I got to pick the color. Unboxing something is always so exciting. Like, especially when you know what's in it and, you know, you're really looking forward to using it. Oh my goodness. I'm a little too excited about this kind of stuff. Okay, let's see. Oh. Out of here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. Okay. Now this comes a little bit in a different one than the one my mother-in-law got me. So this one is now a brown box. Okay. Oh, this is so, I'm just savoring the moment right now. It's so awesome. Here we go. I get to see, I've only seen pictures of this one online. Oh. Let me see. Oh, look at it. There's the back. Let me see the color. Look how beautiful, guys. Oh, I love the color. Actually, I was debating if to get the peony one, I think the pink one, because I love pink, or if to get the eucalyptus one, because I do have the burnt orange and it's absolutely beautiful, but I wanted something that contrasted well with my food. I make a lot of food that has a lot of orange in it, and I wanted something that was a little bit summery. So, oh, this is just beautiful. Look at it. I love it. And then this is more of like a golden brass color. The little booklet on how to take care of it, all that fun jazz. And here we go. See, this time I waited to unbox with you guys here. And there's these lovely things. Let me move this out of the box. Over here. So nice. I imagined, oops, there's all the wooden stuff. I imagined like it was going to be a lot heavier than what it is. Look at this. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my gosh, I am just so ecstatic about it. The color is perfect. It's a little dusting from them. But look, it is just perfect. It is so beautiful. I love it. I'm really excited about it. So this is the 7-quart one, and let me show you the size difference, because I have the 4-quart one right here. This is my 4-quart one right here. Okay, and this one I have leftover food in it. I had made again some albóndigas guisadas the other day. It's like my second or third time making those. My husband really wanted them, so I have some left over here. And just so you guys can see the size difference, this is the 4-quart, this is the 7-quart. So this one's a little bit bigger. When you look at the pot like this, you can see them on the side. The 7-quart is quite taller. I feel like these two colors just mesh so well, you know what I mean? But look at this. It has kind of like a flare look. It's lighter with the eucalyptus color. It's lighter on the bottom, and it kind of gets a little darker up here. It reminds me a little bit of, you know, the orange Le Creuset, but it is just beautiful. Now you might be asking, okay, what's so special about a Dutch oven, particularly this Dutch oven? Like, why is it such a big deal to you? Well, I love, number one, this top right here. Even though you're supposed to be using it for ice and stuff, I've never really used it for the ice. I just love how it looks. STAUB is the one that makes this top like this, and it's just beautiful because you can actually like lay utensils on it like this. Okay, and it won't fall. there is a use for the top besides of how nice it actually looks. Now, I also love the black interior. I like the black interior because it doesn't really stain. My orange one looks still really beautiful on the inside. The thing about these pots is that they are enameled cast iron, meaning you don't have to season them like I do with my regular cast iron. So instead, what I do with these is I can wash them with soap and a sponge, and then after I'm done with it, I actually still put it on the stove, dry it out, and then I put some oil on it just so it has that nice shiny black finish that I like on the inside. So it's very good, it's very durable, and it won't rust. And as you saw, I store mine in the fridge sometimes with food in it, leftover food in it as well. If I'm supposed to do that or not, I don't know, but I do it. Also, you're able to cook acidic foods in here and you won't get that iron taste like if you would on a rock cast iron pan. So I love that about this. I love also that I can take this pot and simply take it from the top of my stove and put it in the oven to continue cooking depending on the dish that I am making. Besides the color being beautiful, the quality is actually really good. I've had mine for quite some time and I love it. I do have a Le Creuset from the 80s that I love as well, but I really love the black enamel interior. It feels like I'm cooking with my regular cast iron pans because my regular cast iron pans are black, and I just love the look of it all together. The handles are pretty good. See, you can get a nice grip on these handles. I feel like they're really good. It's not overly heavy. When I was looking at my package, my box that came in, it said it was weighing 18 pounds all packaged up. So I'm not quite sure exactly how many pounds does it weigh by itself, but I don't feel like it's super heavy or unmanageable at all. These things right here that came with it, I like keeping them like that. Because as I learned from one of my viewers when I did my unboxing of the other one my mother-in-law had given me last year or the year before, I forget which year it was. I use that thing so often. I learned that it helps keep from chipping here on the sides. And then you just put it on like that. It is just beautiful. I love just keeping the ribbon in there just for a little bit because it looks pretty. I'll take it off soon. I'll probably take it off when I use it for the first time. All right, but there it is, the beautiful La Cocotte STAUB. I don't know if I said that right, but that's what it is. I love this brand. It is so beautiful, and I'm so happy my husband got me the big one. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy.